Is your current fixed mortgage rate sitting at 5% plus? You might not have to wait until your renewal to fix it. And there are a simple 3-step check to see if breaking your term today makes financial sense. First, you need to know the exit fee. You can call your bank or broker and ask one simple question. What is my exact mortgage break cost today? This is your main hurdle to switch. Secondly, you need to find out the cashback. You can look at which banks are offering a good cashback payment to the switch, and this is what would help you clear the hurdle. And thirdly, you need to calculate the long-term price. Work out precisely how much you will save in interest repayments by securing a much lower rate today instead of waiting for 6 or 8 months. Then comparing the cost against the benefit. If the cashback and interest savings are much greater than the break fee, you've just made a smart move.